Hi everyone, welcome to the platform of Windows exploitation, guys. Today we are just going to show you the demonstration of the newly found vulnerability in 2015, basically, where guys this vulnerability is actually allowing and particular users to get the privileges of the admin. Basically, guys, this is nothing but a special functionality, but just a debugging and the bypassing system of the kernel. Basically just bypassing the privileges explanation vulnerability, which is allowing an attacker to just directly simply convert his account user to guys directly admin account, where he can just modify the information, he can add the user, he can do so many changes. For example, guys, if I just right now showing you something, for example, go to simply CMD. As you can see in this video, I'm going into the CMD. Simply I'm just typing who am I, and after that if I enter, you are just able to see that I'm actually right now accessing the user privileges. So where I'm not actually authorized, guys, to just do any changes, to create an account, to just simply guys to modify any information, files, directories, or any other things which are required the admin privileges. But somebody has designed a very nice exploit for that, which has been already guys publicly available. I'm just showing you in this demonstration only, guys, that address which you can follow and download this particular file to just guys compromise the system of somebody or your victim easily. So this is what the basically guys github.com website, where this is the proper address from where you can just download, guys. And even this particular vulnerability has been categorized under the database of CVE 2015 1701, guys. So where this particular Windows 32K elevation of the privileges vulnerability will be allowing an attacker to directly take up privileges of admin. So simply what you have to do is click on the download option, and it'll be just start downloading this zip file, which you can see even already I have downloaded in my system. So let me just open this file. Right now, guys, I'll just be simply open this file and extracting it, which you can see in this video, guys, already have extracted earlier just 1 minute before. And right now this is some files which has been extracted, guys, from the zip file. After that, go to the compiled folder, and here you have two files, guys, according to the operating system you can choose. As my system is 64-bit operating system, so I'll click on, guys, this file Thaihow 64, and once I'll double click on it, so warm welcome, guys. Simply we have just after the double click we have bypassed the user privileges to directly admin privileges. Now I'm simply going to some add some account, for example net user, anything whatever I want to do, guys. First I'll be creating a user account with the help of this command, and then I'll after that we'll just convert a user account into directly admin account. So simply first of all I'm typing net space user space, and the account name, for example, I'm creating my new file, just a name, guys, of the account. It's not actually something surprising thing. And after that, let me just put some password also, like a 12345 and /add. So you can see successfully, guys, even the command is just executed successfully. Now let me just convert a user account into admin account. So net local group space administrators S. Make sure, guys, you are typing S if you are following this step in this video. So net space local group space administrators / the account name, and in my case the new account name is new file, my new file /add. No need to add, guys, the password because already we have added. Now enter, and we have done, guys, successfully everything. Now go back to the control panel, click on user account and the family safety. Now user accounts, and you here, guys, can see all the informations. Add or remove user accounts, and you can see, guys, my new file has a complete admin privileges right now, guys, and is allowing me to do all the changes right now, guys. So see, guys, this is just a simple exploitation in the bug which is available right now, guys, in the Windows 7, 8, 8.1, and the server 2000 8, server 2003, and even your server 10 Windows 10 is also right now, guys, vulnerable with this particular bug. So in case if your system is also, guys, vulnerable with this particular bug, so make sure you are protecting your system by just updating it. So regular updation is the one of the best optimum solutions to just keep your system away from to be compromised by the hackers. So I hope, guys, it is clear to you people. But in case if it, like if still it is not clear to you, like guys, then what you can do in this case, you just can guys go through all this information just by typing CVE 2015-17-01 information in the Google, as I have just typed, and I have found some information about it and made this video. Or else for more clarification you can follow the given details which is given below guys directly right now. You can contact us anytime. Thank you so much guys for following this video. We'll see you soon with new information. Take care. Bye. Take care.